Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a Worth the Hype on the Tartelette Toasted Palette by Tarte. Here's what the palette looks like. It is very beautiful, nice, beautiful warm tone palette. If you guys haven't been to my channel or haven't watched them, I did recently do my haul and it was the Tartelette Vault. I kept the box. I remembered to keep the box. Couldn't wait to kind of like do this video so then I don't have to have so many boxes and stuff in my room. But I did do the whole vault to get all three palettes. It was like $100. It was a great deal, and I always wanted to try the Tartelette palettes. I do have the other two, the In Bloom, and then the original Tartelette. Yet to try the original one yet, but I've only used the In Bloom one time, so I can't say anything about these ones. I've used this one a total of 4 times so far, and guys, I'm loving it. I know some people compared this to how Subculture is and such. I will say the only thing that's maybe similar is maybe like the kick up, I want to say. Not really so much the fallout, only like mainly this crackle shade here, which is beautiful. It's matte, but it's kind of got these little glitter shades pressed into it. Gave me some fallout on my cheek, but I don't know. I personally, in my opinion, I love the Subculture palette, so I am going to put that out there. However, I actually really loved this, and they gave you guys a little background. The Tarte, what is it? The Tarte's Pro palette. I was not a fan of that. I actually recently decluttered that. I tried to make that work, and I was not a fan, so I actually really like this formula of their eyeshadows way better. And I don't know. And so far, every time I've used this, I've gotten so many compliments on it. So I love it. Like this shade here, Candle, is my absolute fave. You don't even need Fix Plus with it. Like, you don't. Like, it's stunning. Like, so beautiful on their own. Candle's my favorite. I really like Warmth. And what was the other one I really liked? I love Warmth. Oh, and then this shade over here. Sorry, it's hard to read because of the way the light's like reflecting on it. Cozy over here. It's like, I don't know, it's almost like a red brown. I just find it stunning. Those are my favorite shades in this palette. I have used them. I've used every shade in this palette. I've used every single shade in this palette. And my least favorite, honestly, is Crackle. And that's just a personal opinion. I know people tend to really like that one. And just that one, I don't know. It's okay. It's just not my the favorite. But all the rest, I love this palette so far. Will say Worth the Hype. Really love it. I will use the original Tartelette and then the In Bloom. I will let you guys know. Sadly, right now, well, it's not sad. It's actually, it's amazing. But there's just a lot of makeup I'm trying out right now. And I don't like to rush too much to get it out. But when it comes to eyeshadow, it only takes me like a few tries to know, do I like this? Do I not? And to like try a majority of the palette. I really like this. I really love this. I think this is beautiful. I love the packaging. I love how it's like more compact. It has a mirror. The only thing is I kind of wish it could go back further, but it can't. But like that's not a big deal. But I love this. I think it's worth the hype. I hope you guys enjoy, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.